Why Triple K, you ask? Well, Triple K is a one-of-a-kind, science-based game changer. Triple K contains up to 10 to 20 times more collagen-boosting amino acids than whey, plant, and/or soy protein. And these amino acids are the critical reboot amino acids that are necessary for collagen synthesis. And not only collagen synthesis, but healthy hair, skin, bones, joints, and nails. Now I'll tell you another thing about Triple K, what it does. Triple K actually goes in and replenishes and then rebuilds your internal scaffolding. You know what I'm talking about. The scaffolding that holds everything up and in place, both inside and out. That's one of the things that makes Triple K special. Plus the fact that Triple K is your #1 drinkable weight management choice. Why is that? Fact of the matter is, Triple K curbs your cravings, keeps you fuller longer, yes, diminishes your hunger, and on top of that, it tastes good as well. Now, if you are curious, Triple K, with all of its amino acids, with all of its collagen boosting amino acids, has the ability